Hi, Owen. Today, guys, I'm going to talk about how to become a Lego builder, how do you get started with Lego, and if you are thinking about starting Lego right now at this point in time, number one, collect Lego sets. You need to start collecting Lego sets. It doesn't matter, it doesn't really matter what theme you collect, whether it's Lego Star Wars, Lego Batman, Lego Spider-Man. It doesn't really matter, it does not matter what Lego theme it is. As long as you are collecting Lego sets, you are on track to get starting your Lego journey. Number two, knowing the number of pieces in the Lego set. Like when you're beginning to be a Lego builder, you need to know how many pieces are in the Lego set you go buy at your local Lego store. So, for example, if I got the Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon set 7x2x7, I look at the pieces. I will look at the pieces, and it will show me it shows me exactly how many pieces are in it. It will say 1,351 pieces. So you want to make sure so when you're collecting Lego sets, you need to make sure you know how many pieces are in the Lego set. Number three, Lego instructions. So when you buy when you're starting your Lego journey or you're starting to become a Lego builder, you also need to make sure you're following the instructions. Of course, if you're a more advanced Lego, when you get to be a more advanced Lego builder, you then don't have to follow the instructions. But when you're just beginning Lego, you definitely need to make sure you follow the instructions in the instruction manual that comes in the Lego set that you pick. For example, if you get one of the Lego Spider-Man sets, you will get an instruction booklet. Maybe there may be one instruction booklet for every build, or there might be two instructions for two separate builds. Depending on what Lego set you get, you may have one, 2, or 3 instructions for the build. So you also want to make sure you know what the instructions are telling you to do. Lastly, number 5, you need build your own Lego creations. So once you know how to build Lego sets, and you can start building your own Lego creations. You can go online, you can go to Google and search for whatever creation you want to make, or you can even make something totally random from your brain. And please subscribe. The subscribe button is below this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.